Okay, so here we are at the Yacht Club, and we're staying at 2110. Here's the outside of the Yacht Club on our day 2 adventure. So we're waiting for here's the bus stop. So basically here at the Yacht Club, and I believe it's the same thing for the Boardwalk and Beach Club, is that, but I'll verify that. So the only ways to get to Magic Kingdom, Disney Springs, and all the water parks, and Magic Kingdom, Disney Springs, and the water parks is bus. You can't get to Epcot or Hollywood Studios by bus. You have to take the water taxi. Or of course you always can Lyft or Uber it. So here's a good picture of the boardwalk. It really isn't as big as the others. Actually, that's Convention Center here. So here's the Yacht Club, Beach Club. Here's a walk to the boardwalk, Crescent Lake. Takes you to Epcot and Disney Hollywood Studios. Beach Club. Beaches and Cream, famous kitchen sink. Cape May, we have breakfast, character breakfast tomorrow there. The Yachtman's Steakhouse. Hurricane Hana's, we ate there poolside. Ale and Compass, and Cruise Club Lounge. So again, you can see here the transportation to Epcot, Disney Hollywood Studios. So you can't get a bus from that area. Check in at the Yacht Club. Nice place for kids to watch while you're checking in. This would be a big map of the world. So, Keeks, where is the United States?
Alright, right here.
Right there. There's the United States. According to Brielle.
So where's the Pacific Ocean?
Oh, look at this. This is a new and accurate globe of the world, 1651.
Uh-oh.
So this is what they thought that the world looked
So
like.
there wouldn't even be a United States. Whenever you're coming to holidays and places here, always check out what we got specially planned this Father's Day tomorrow. Yacht Club Beach Club Resort.
Oh, it's a Goofy and Max themed things. That's cute.
Oh, s'mores to the max. Campfire.
Oh, you're supposed to put a tally. This is
Daily
a tally.
Yacht Club Daily Pool. Today's topic, favorite Disney
So,
pair.
if this is your favorite, then all you do is
Buzz
mark one.
and Woody.
And somebody will come count them.
Mike
Oh,
and Sully.
Timon and Pumbaa.
So Timon and Pumbaa
No, you
are
get to pick
actually
one.
winning.
They're winning today.
And
Yesterday it was.
Logsworth and Lumiere.
Yesterday's winner was Woody, it says. Cogsworth, honey. Cogsworth.
Sorry, Hogsworth.
Not Logsworth. What are you gonna vote for?
Marketplace has sundries to the right and things to eat to the left. Oh, a little eating area. They have one of those cool Coke things. Breakfast offerings. Looks like pretty good. Egg white, ham and cheddars, turkey cheese, Mickey waffles. Can't go wrong with Mickey waffles. Okay, Captain Jack and Elizabeth.
Captain Jack?
Are we pirating Will Turner and Elizabeth? Elizabeth Swan. Or it's not Elizabeth Swan anymore, right? They got married. Pretty cool. All right, let's get to our rooms. We're staying at 2110. Let's go take a look. First time we've ever stayed at this resort. First time we've ever stayed at a pretty luxury resort. So as soon as you walk in, you get the coffee machine with some cabinet space. Turn on some lights here. And you got your nautical looking refrigerator. Very cool. Wow. And you first come to lighted closet space. Holy mackerel. Huge mirror right there. So lots of room. I can already see the beds are raised, so you can put your suitcases underneath there. Let's see, we have some more cabinet space, or some more shelf space right here. And so ironing board, safe. Then you have more shelf space down here. And here's the bathroom. And you got your standard Disney H2O products, you can see there. Nice vanity, makeup mirror. Again, lots of room to store things. And then your shower. Oh, shower commode. And fancy shower head with a removable shower head. And then what's cool, a lot of people like the not fixed in the wall H2O products at your Deluxe resorts. And huge TV with ample, again, dresser space here. So this, let's see what we got here. Extra pillows. And here's, so this is, let's see right now, this is a double bed. Or actually, these are, looks like queen, but they may be full. But I think they're queens. So 2 queens. A lot of cool picture, you know, very Nautilus ship-like. Unbelievable fixture there. Wow. Think this pulls out in a bed, but I'm not sure where you would put it. So it may just actually kind of go back, I guess, maybe. So a teenager might be able to say, we'll have to see about that. Not sure about that. Cool picture again. And oh, we have a balcony. I don't even know we knew that. Well, here's a desk. A lot of ample USB ports and outlets. Before I go outside, let me just show you here. Again, USB port. And more drawers. So again, what's really cool, plenty of room. Just stick those suitcases right under there, just like you got on the cruises. That's awesome. All right. Cool curtains. The constellations. Got the Lioness Regalis.
Yeah, they have all kinds of characters.
Not even gonna try.
There's Mickey. Look, Mickey. There's Ariel.
Ariel.
Pluto.
Pluto.
This is Pegasus.
Pegasus.
Or I don't know, Maximus. I'm not sure
Maximus,
which one
yeah.
it is.
There's Mickey.
Here's Simba. Nemo. Really cute. Is that Pooh Bear? Is that who that's supposed to be?
Yeah.
This looks like Mushu.
Mushu. Yeah, that's looking like Krunk.
Or is it Hercules?
Maybe Hercules. I don't know. Comment down below if you know what that is. It's like Hercules maybe. And then, so this room is a garden view room. So we're looking out over the tennis courts. So there's a pool down there. I can't see that, but we'll go down there and take a look. So, you know, not a great view, but who cares? This is a pretty awesome. We were second room, 2110. Yacht Club's version of the quiet pool. So just want to come relax. No rowdiness, no sand. Walk out. Okay, this stretch is bringing back some very bad memories. Very bad memories from last night. As you will see in our video from the boardwalk,
Oh, yeah.
our children decided the activity of the night was going to be rent one of these bikes. And of course, this one can't pedal. So it was left to me and Mama to pedal around the boardwalk. All around here. Came down this side right here, trying to negotiate that hill. Proved to be a nightmare. Where we had some lunch the other day, last night, Hurricane Hannah's. They had in the Japanese pavilion, they have Pearl Factory. Well, this is Hawaii's original pearl of the oyster version. Really nice picture overall of the pool. Again, always lifeguards on duty at Disney cruises and resorts, which is cool. And you can see sand. Okay, so we're going to end our yacht club time. This was a very short trip for us, so we splurged to stay at the yacht club, which is a deluxe resort next to the beach club and across from the boardwalk, which you'll see our video on that. But it was very good. I think it spoiled us, but we still like Pop and we still like French Quarter. But it was a very nice hotel. What did you guys think?
I thought it was pretty cool. I like their lazy river.
Nice room, had nice pool, one of the best pools I think probably Disney. Got
Probably
sand
one of
in
the
it,
best
very fun. Boat rides to Epcot and Hollywood Studios, so you can't take buses there, which I've covered at the beginning. And for the most part, I think if you have the ability to do it, I would say the yacht club or the beach club. Definitely investigate the boardwalk as well, right next to the Dolphin and the Swan. So I think overall I had fun. It was a good 2-day stay, short trip for us. We're back home today, so we're good?
Yep.
Okay, Keegs, take us out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell.
Okay, bye.